Good morning, greetings and salutations, you guys. It's Hayden here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. It is a beautiful Friday. It's gorgeous outside. Let's look. Look at all my water-stained windows. My goodness. The boys were like playing in the pool and like literally it splashed all the way over here. So I don't think you can see it in camera, but yeah, need to like clean those windows for sure. But it is a beautiful day. My flowers right there are literally dying, but like also coming back to life. I don't know what's happening with that thing. I was going to, because I think those, after they bloom, or I don't know, something, like after their cycle, they die, but they started coming back to life, so I didn't know what to do. And I was like, well, maybe I'll just leave it for now, because they might come back to life. And like you can see, there's some flowers. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. I'm really excited. Today is also my cousin's graduation, so we're gonna go to that later on this evening. But right now, I still got a lot of stuff to do. I just fed the kids. I have to finish doing the dishes still, but I wanted to do a quick unboxing because I didn't get to do these yesterday, and I really wanted to open these up already so I can rate the sellers that I got these items from, so I feel really bad. But I just got these yesterday evening, and we'll open them right now. So, hold on one second. So I have two items to open up with you. I have one in a big box and one in a small little package right here. We're gonna open this one first, and I know what this one is. I'm really excited for it. It's something that I have been really wanting ever since it was released, and I cannot believe this item I'm going to be opening. And the crazy thing is, after I bought it, the person that I bought it from actually messaged me, and they actually have they watch my YouTube channel, so it's crazy. So if you're watching, thank you so much. Again, I'm so sorry that I'm opening this the day after I received it, but here it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so here's a little dust bag, as you can see. If you know that logo, this is a Loewe piece. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. It is so stinking cute. This is the Loewe Tote card case. It is so cute. There's a little Totoro guy right there. Is he focusing? How cute. Hold on. Is my camera being annoying? How cute is he? Oh my gosh. Right? It's just a little dirty. I think I can clean this up. And oh my gosh, I love it. I'm so excited. I've always wanted to own a piece from this collection, and now I have two, because I actually have the little dust bunny or soot spirit guy that's like kind of like a charm that you put on your bag, and now I have well, all I need is a bag. Like, then I'll have like the triumvirate, even though I would love more pieces from the collection, but slowly but surely. But thank you so much. I love it. I'm actually gonna rate you right now, and hopefully I can remember. I'm gonna put also their I got it from Mercari, so I'll put their Mercari shop up as well, so that way you guys can check out their store, because they do have, it's perfect. Thank you. Alright, so I just rated them right now. And actually, I'm going to show you guys their store. That way you can see it already, so in case I forget. But their store name is Jaylux, Jayluxxe, on Mercari. And I know you can't actually search people's usernames in Mercari, but if you actually go to a Google search and just type in Jaylux and then Mercari, like those two things, their Mercari page will pop up. So very excited. Thank you so much. I am obsessed. It is so good. So thank you so much. I'm so excited. I'm gonna clean it up too. I cannot wait to use this. Like, I don't even care. I would just like use it like this. Because honestly, if I got this brand new, I would be so scared to use it, because I have like this thing about things that are so brand new, like I'm scared to use them. But thanks for breaking it in for me. Okay, so here's the next thing right here. This is also another thing that if it is what I think it is, I think I also got this from Mercari as well. And let's check. I love the tape too. The little flowers are so cute. Where did you get it? I would love to have some flower tape as well. Ooh, this one's packaged up real nicely. Has the bubble wrap, which I'm definitely gonna recycle. Here's the bag. Oh my gosh. They did such a good job with this. Well, here it is. It's in a Saint Laurent dust bag. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here she is. It's a Saint Laurent tote bag, and this is I believe this is the reversible tote bag. So you can turn this inside out. I believe. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it is a reversible tote bag. Has some packaging stuff inside. It is so cute. I feel like it just needs a good conditioning and maybe a little bit of reshaping. Just like condition it up really well, stuff it up, and then just put the heat gun on it a little bit, or like a hair dryer, and just heat up the leather, and it kind of irons out some of like the wrinkles, but I feel like it looks totally fine. It probably just looks like this from being in the box, right? Like it's already kind of ironing itself out. Oh my gosh, this is such a gorgeous piece. I love this tote. You can carry it on your shoulder. The length is nice. It also comes with this little removable pouch right here. It also says Saint Laurent on there. Let's look at the inside. Ooh. Yeah, the inside is also in suede. And then here is the little, like the serial number and all that goodness is in that bottom little tab that's sewn into there. Can you hear the kids yelling? They're playing video games. I actually kind of want to turn it inside out and see how it is, but this is removable too, which is nice. So you kind of have like, well, it's 2-in-1 because it has you can reverse it, but then it's kind of like 3 because you also have the pouch, which is removable by itself. And what's cool when you turn this inside out, so it has feet on both sides, which I think is really cool. And the inside is actually a black suede. So you turn it inside. Oh, hold on one second. Zach was telling me something. All right, and then this is it inside out. Look at it. I actually kind of like this shape. Like the shape also changes a little bit because this side is like pointier, and then when it's inside out, like when it's like the leather side out, the regular leather side out, it's different. And then you can just throw your pouch in here. So you have 2 different ways to carry it. This is super chic. I love like the gray and the black. And then there's a little feet, so they're on both sides, so it's super duper cool. Hey guys, okay, so it is a little while later. I'm in the car, and I had to take the Suburban because my car, I have it like parked, there's a car that parked in front of me, and I parked my car like pretty close to our other car, and there was like, it's like a plumbing truck, and it parked really close to me with my front bumper, and like it's like sticking out like a lot, like it's not that close to the curb, so it's like it was like impossible for me to get out of the spot without like having to move all the cars, and I was just like so I didn't want to move all the cars, and I just ended up taking the Suburban, which is full, and I was supposed to bring it to storage today to like drop off all this stuff, but plans have changed because originally my sister was going to stay home with the boys because she was supposed to like work on a project or something for school, but it turns out that she didn't actually have to do that today, and she really wanted to go to the graduation for my cousin, and he actually has like another like ceremony in a few weeks for graduating nursing. It's like today is like the graduation ceremony, and then he has another one where it's like he gets like something else. I forgot what it's called, like a pin or like I don't know. It's like there's like another ceremony that's gonna happen in a few weeks. So I'm gonna go to that one, and I'm gonna let her go to this one because she really wanted to go, and she and my cousin are super close, and she doesn't usually get to go to these sorts of things because she always has the boys. So I was like, I'll stay home with them, but right now I'm actually going to go to the post office really quick, and then I was gonna stop over to either veterans or lineage really quickly, and then after that I was gonna pick up some food and then go back to the house, and then everyone else is gonna go leave to the graduation. So that's kind of what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna be hanging out with the boys, which is cool. So I'm gonna get food. I'm gonna let them go like hang out at the pool, and it's gonna be a great day. I never really get to just like spend time alone with the boys at the house, and then like today's a Friday and I normally have like a live sale, and I canceled the one for tonight, so it's gonna be nice. I'm just gonna be like kind of hanging out with them, and I'm sure I'll figure out something else to do. Like I'm probably gonna be multitasking, and it's gonna be fine. So but right now we're gonna head over to the post office, and yeah, I think I'm gonna get Chick-fil-A for the boys too, because Zach has been really wanting it recently, and they just love those waffle fries. So I'm gonna go get that. Alright, just got to Lineage. I can't take you guys in there, but I'll show you guys what to get. Okay guys, I think I got a pretty good little haul. I got like this little Kate Spade coin pouch, card pouch thing with a little clip. These vintage Pradas. Those are so cool. I got this Fendi dress, a Tory Burch top, and a Derek Lam skirt. I'll show you guys those, what they look like when we get home. But right now we're gonna head over to Veterans really quick, and then we'll go get food. Alright, I just parked. We're walking over. I had to park all the way in the back, but it's cool. Alright, here we go. Alright, there's a couple of cool things. There's like that Fendi, there's that Chanel, there's a Marc Jacobs, and then that vintage coat. She loves vintage. 150 is not bad. I'm considering getting her. There's an Ella tote, you guys, but it's $7. Okay, let's look at the handbags. There was like a bunch of people in here when I first came in. Like everyone kind of just like left the area. So let's see if there's anything left. They still have this little coach. This is the one that's damaged. Vanuka. This is actually like a cute looking bag. I don't know what the brand is though. This is like Vanuka Madrid or something. Yeah, Vanuka Madrid is on the hardware. I should look that up. If it's on the hardware, it might be something kind of fancy. Let's see. I think it's like a European, like something like it's not normally like found in the US. So it came from somewhere overseas. Oh, this is that salad tote bag. This one's expensive. That one's $50. This is that Dooney. This one's still, I'm waiting for that one to go on sale. And they still have this Marc Jacobs down here too. This orange one for $40. It's cute, but $40. This Michael Kors is also still here. Also $40. I like this one though, but I'm missing the crossbody strap. So I'm waiting for that to go on sale also. Not me just waiting for everything here to go on sale. 9 West. What is this guy? LJS. Pleather. This one's $7. BB. Doesn't like, I think Gucci owns BB, right? I don't remember. This one's $4 bag. That's a St. John's Bay. This one's a Rebecca Minkoff, but $30. This is a pretty color. $30 Rebecca Minkoff, Kate Spade. Oh, this is the bag that I thought was like a, I thought was a Coach. but it's, oh, this is a Coach. 30 bucks. Okay, yeah, no. Okay, this one actually is a Coach bag, but 30 bucks. It's, I don't know if it would be vintage, but it definitely is an older style. It's cute though. If it was cheaper, I'd probably pick that one up. Cole Haan. Oh, this is that American something. American Leather Co. This one's cute, but it, when it was first here, it wasn't this stained. It's like been through a lot. Definitely has fallen on the floor a bunch. It's $10. What's this guy? itsHadrian. This is what's it called? Yeah, Francisco Viestia. Uh-oh. Wonder where that's from. Little clutch. Prune backpack. Oh, that's 50 bucks. This is kind of cool though. I think prune is normally real leather, but I'm not 100% certain, but still a little pricey. This Marc Jacobs is still here. The only thing I really liked was that Marc Jacobs bag behind the counter for $150. But I want to see if it'll go on sale before I buy it. It just came out here, like it just popped out, so it might be here long enough to go on sale, who knows. What is this guy? Kenneth Cole. It's interesting hardware. This guy is Franco Sardo? Yeah. Oh, and this Marc Jacobs is still here. This one's like 30 something. Or no. 75. I just got home. I'll show you guys what I ended up getting in a bit. Oh gosh, my nose is like the marks from the sunglasses. Anyway, we got the Chick-fil-A and we're eating. You guys like your food? Yeah. Yummy. That great beans. Okay guys, finished eating, but now I'm outside and I'm actually going to water my plants. This is I want to show you guys this thing. So this is what I use to water the plants. You just put whatever fertilizers that you have inside of here. I'm gonna use the bloom booster that we have. Okay, this is a little crispier than I normally like them, but the boys like them crispy, so that's fine. I'll make sure to do these a little bit less. So I'll stick them in there. I did the first one for 20 minutes, so I think I'll do these guys for, let's just do 15.